Hello friends, welcome back to Stocks Invader. The stock that we have shortlisted today is MMTC Ltd. MMTC stands for Metals and Minerals Trading Corporation of India. It is one of the two highest earners of foreign exchange for India and is India's largest public sector trading body. It is not only handling the export and import of primary products such as coal, iron ore, agro and industrial products, but it is also handling the exports of important commodities such as ferrous and non-ferrous metals. The company has a vast international trade network spanning almost all countries across the globe. MMTC is the first public sector enterprise to be accorded the status of 5-star export house by the Government of India for its long-standing contribution to exports. Let us now go to the TradingView platform and have a look at the charts. Here you can clearly see a cup and handle pattern has formed since 2018. Also, recently it had given a breakout with good volumes. It can also be seen that the price level of 60 had previously acted as a good resistance almost 2 times, and currently the stock is trading at the same level again. Now, if we apply the Bollinger Band indicator on this weekly time frame, it can be clearly seen that the band has expanded, which means that currently the stock has a good momentum and can break the resistance level of 60. You can also see the rising volumes almost every week. With this simple setup, you can enter MMTC between 50 and 60 levels with a small stop loss of 40 on closing basis. Once there is a good breakout, you can expect a first target of 80. Also, there is a possibility of giving multifold returns in coming years if the cup and handle pattern is confirmed. Once the stock starts moving up, you can trail your stop loss and try to capture the maximum move. I have added another video to understand how you can trail your stop loss. Link of that video can be found on the top right corner of your screen. I use my Telegram channel to give quick updates on trending stocks and also any other news that might affect the movement of certain stocks. So do join my Telegram channel Stocks Invader. Link is in the description box. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Please like, comment and subscribe my channel Stocks Invader for more such quality content.